In front of me is Honor Pad 9, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is enabled. To disable it, click on the same shortcut again. You can also just go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on the Location section. Then tap on this switcher next to Access My Location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!